Here we go. So we're in Casey's Fireworks and we're flying toward the buy two for super price and trying to show off all our brand new big fireworks assortments, and then crunch, smash.
Our maiden fireworks store voyage led our new drone into a high-speed metal fan, and then crash landed into the gender reveal section, scattering drone propellers and plastic everywhere. Luckily, we didn't have an explosion inside the fireworks store. And I thought this was funny. This reaction, like moments before the crash, my dad
knew what was about to happen.
He had a pretty good smirk.
We're tumbling into the baby land.
And then what was funny is that since my dad thought that the drone was already pretty screwed up, he's like, all right, well, just gonna throw it back into the fan because it's already way past the point of no return. So this is the footage of that. We thought we'd recreate that, but you know, we're only human, so we thought just like the real live action footage is good enough.
So our drone was pretty disappointing. Wouldn't allow us to take off outside because of the airport nearby. Did not want to allow us to go move the drone within our own store. Every time we turn on the drone, it would update and change into a new app that would had more restrictions. So every time we used the drone, it became less and less usable. But we learned our lesson about that particular drone. But it made some great footage though. Crash and dash. Thanks for coming to Casey's.